Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on Now We Know channel. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to fix Google Chrome desktop mode is not working. So let's get started. Well, here I'm on Google Chrome. Now I'm going to type in, for example, facebook.com and then hit search. So here, for example, I'm going to log into my Facebook account. And as you see here, it's on the mobile version. Now to switch it to desktop site, we're gonna tap on this arrow at the top right corner. And now we're gonna tap on desktop site. And as you see here, now to switch to desktop site. Now sometimes when you go through the steps, you won't get the full desktop version, and this is because here at the URL sometimes you're gonna find the M next to Facebook, which means mobile version. So if you have the M on the URL, then you can simply remove the M, and after that you'll get the full desktop version. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya!